In this video, I'm going to show you how to export or save an image from Photopea. Once you have completed your design and your project is fully ready, exporting it in the correct format is the final and very important step. Photopea allows you to save your work in multiple formats, such as PNG, JPG, PDF, and many others, depending on your needs. To begin, make sure your project is open and finalized. Then go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the File option. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, move your cursor to the Export As option. As soon as you hover over it, a side menu will appear showing different file formats. If you select the More option, you will see additional formats available for export. You can choose PNG, JPG, PDF, or any other format that fits your requirement. For example, if you want to export your image as a PNG file, simply click on PNG. This will open the export window where you can preview your project. If the preview appears zoomed in, you can use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom out and see the entire image clearly. On the right-hand side of this window, you will see the selected format along with other available settings. After reviewing everything, click the Save button. Your file will immediately begin downloading in the selected format, and you can open it afterward to verify that it has been saved correctly. If you need a different format, repeat the same process by clicking File, then Export As, and selecting another option such as JPG or PDF. Each time you will see the export window with the relevant settings for that format. Simply confirm and click Save to download your project. This process ensures that your image is properly saved in the exact format you need for sharing, printing, or uploading, and this is how you can export or save an image from Photopea.